Oh, it feels good to be talking to you guys. Hi, Phyllis. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Can you believe that it's almost been 1 week since I turned on my camera?
No, one.
It's almost been a week. You guys, look at me. I'm tired. Today's my day off. Yesterday was also my day off, but I had to go on the road yesterday and I had to go on the road today. Take up all my day and I am tired. But don't worry, I'll adjust to this newness. I'll figure it out and it will get better as the time goes by. So, how am I doing? How is work going? Work is going amazing. I am learning so much. And this new journey, I am just embracing it each day, step by step, as the time goes by. And yeah, work is good. I have no complaints about work. A lot of information though, information overload. Oh my god, my head feel like it's gonna explode at the end of each day. So much to learn, but I love it. I wouldn't change this opportunity for anything. I wouldn't change this profession. I wouldn't change this field for any other field. I love it. I love being in the tourism industry. Anyway, you guys, my kids off to school. I dropped them this morning. My husband went to work. I got back home, went right back to bed, got up, got a nap, got up from that nap, ate lunch, get some stuff done in the house, clean a bit, and went to supermarket. And now I'm back. So I'm back. I'm going to show you guys the cold stuff that needs to put away right now until the kids come home. Then we'll do the supermarket haul. So it's just me right now, okay? Do you want that? No? Yes? Maybe so. Well, you're getting it anyway. All right, let's get the cold bag, shall we? Cold bag is here. Do you guys put your cold things into a specific bag built for cold things when you go to the supermarket, or you just put them in any random bag? French people is really keen on putting their cold things into cold bags here in France. So most people you see at the supermarket with their own shopping. Well, here we have to carry our own shopping bags, and you always see people with their cold bags. So anyway, from the cold bag we have yogurt, and I only buy yogurt for my boy today because everybody else have galore of yogurts in the fridge. Oh no, I forget to buy breakfast yogurt, honey.
That's okay, I have one.
Yeah, but it's not just for you.
When?
I eat it sometimes, especially when I'm going off to work in a rush early or... Well, I'll figure it out. I have my green juice anyway. I have cheese and I buy lots of shredded cheese today. You know why? My boy has been asking me to make lasagna. So I buy lots of cheese to make lasagna. Hopefully I'll get to make it tomorrow evening or Sunday evening for dinner when I come home, because I'm on a very early shift tomorrow this weekend, so I'll be home early. I buy beef mince for the lasagna. I got 2 of those so I can make a good size lasagna. So I got those, and I buy some hamburger meats because the family loves to eat these, especially when we don't feel like cooking. More yogurt for my boy. I buy frozen fish. We love to have this white fish. Today is Good Friday. I mean, in France, you don't even feel the difference in holidays here. I mean, when it's Christmas, yes, you feel it. But like Good Friday and those kind of days, you don't really feel like it's Good Friday. In Jamaica, Good Friday, you know, you have bun and cheese. You don't turn on the stove in the morning because of the religious reason and, you know, stuff like that. Here, you can't tell that it's Good Friday. A lot of people go to church this morning, Good Friday service, and I really miss home. Anyway, green beans, and the fam bam love this ice cream. This is a vanilla caramel ice cream. However, I couldn't find the only vanilla caramel that we like. This one have a little touch of pecan in it, so I buy it, honey. I find the ice cream, but it didn't have the only vanilla caramel. It have a touch of pecan nut thrown in it. So I bought it still. I love it. It tastes so good. I have to resist myself from eating too much. And this one is Sarah and Tyler's favorite, which is the strawberry. They have half of one pack in the fridge, but I buy them another one. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and put away these frozen things, and you guys will properly see the husband when the kids get home. So happy Easter, happy Good Friday, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Is the day of the 100 days of
school?
Yes.
Really?
Since
September?
What did you say?
Since September?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Mama, today they did a party because it was only sister and the same that that's what I'm saying. It's nothing fun. It's only maternal that's...
You want to go back to maternal?
No.
Okay. Big boys do big boy things.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah?
Kiss.
You want a kiss? Oh.
Papa.
Oh, it's because Papa asked you for a kiss? Papa asked you for a kiss? And you don't give him? That's why he's sad. Give Papa a kiss. Be nice. So you ask her for a kiss and she come to give it to me? Don't do that. When Papa asks you for a kiss, you give Papa a kiss, okay? Be nice. It's time for the supermarket haul. Say hello to Faves.
Wagwan my youth, me there happen because
Alright, let's go. Tyler have the most
I'm already
fun.
feeling like I'm gonna be Tyler after watching this season. You know I play
Can you hear that?
Every time I play one paper scissors at work.
You play rock paper scissors at work too?
No, one time whenever we have to decide who starts. I always win.
Hold on. There is 2 packs of chocolate in the bags, and it's for Easter egg hunt outside.
Sarah.
It's okay. Can give her that one. There's another one in there where you can buy.
How chocolate?
Hey, it's open.
Yeah.
I buy chocolate eggs for them because they're gonna do Easter hunt with the neighbor outside. No, it's for
popcorn.
It's for egg hunt outside.
Popcorn.
It's a pack of 3 donuts, but when I look at the pack, it's written 4 donuts.
Strawberry.
So either we get tricked or somebody snitched before we show it.
Mama.
I always eat my donut the minute I come out of that supermarket. I don't wait on anybody. And mine is a lemon flavor. It is so yummy.
This
Sarah
is
owns the strawberry flavor. Tyler only this one and Papa only
The egg.
is that one.
Mama.
Yes. My sister.
We have apples. Apples and bananas.
You see, 2 packs. You both are happy.
What do you know about 2 packs?
Peach! I don't care for.
Sarah?
I buy you peach, yes. You haven't bought your peach in a long time.
It smells so
Don't you know
good.
if I don't know if I like
you
peach
keep it, Papa?
now.
That's okay.
What is that?
If you don't eat them, your father will definitely eat them.
She said no, it's only for her. No.
Alright, go to the Let me get this one. Sarah, what is this?
Donuts. That one cup.
Coconut water for Mama.
We have mini tomatoes and a pack of eggs. That's
We
eggs.
got chicken.
Honey biscuits.
I buy myself some more books like I'm going to school because your girl have to be writing notes like crazy and I need them books. So I buy myself
Cereal bar.
2 books
Somebody
today.
take double amount of
Watermelon because whenever I buy 1 piece of watermelon by 2 days.
60 off for 1.
Oh, it's only €3. But I didn't want to buy too much because they're easy to spoil also. No, Sarah.
We have apple juice.
You
apple
guys,
juice for
Sarah
family.
made these at school yesterday. She was happy yesterday we pick her up with her little egg basket. Sorry, you're not going to the house.
Wait, Sarah, this is for Papa.
No! Fred, it's for mine!
Strawberry for Papa.
No, it's mine!
You sure?
Sarah is for Tyler and Sarah, right?
And Papa.
No, it's for Sarah and Mama.
Is strawberry for? You don't want to take away our food. She'll bite you.
You don't want to play with her and her strawberry?
Rice cake.
We have avocado.
Oh, you're still looking for them?
Oh, she looking for them?
Strawberry.
Yes, eat a donut first.
And more compost.
Oh, this is...
More chicken.
Sarah, what is that? Broccoli for Sarah. And for Sarah.
Mama.
Very good. Lettuce and mushroom.
Barbecue.
Apple orange juice.
Mama make a catastrophe. Mama made a mess.
Mama made a mess.
I bought pen because I went to the supermarket and I had no pen. They didn't have the other one, so I take this one.
Okay, we have a zucchini and...
Ty, you saw that Mama buy ingredients to make your lasagna?
None. Yeah.
Yeah, I buy all the things to make lasagna for you.
We have sweet peppers and bananas.
Okay?
So you want bananas?
Milk.
That's a lot
What
of
kind of milk is
bananas.
that?
Almond.
Yes, I didn't buy the regular milk because there's
Is
enough.
that Sarah?
Okay, I can finally throw away the other one now. I buy a fresh jar.
Strawberry jam.
Oh, how you know
And
that?
chocolate milk for Papa.
No.
No?
Mine.
It's mine.
Stop screaming. You don't have to scream. Where you provoke her for?
You want me to jam your face?
Go right ahead.
Jam your nose.
Tomato sauce.
Don't drop it. Alright, there will be no lasagna. Move it from there,
You can't
please.
put that close to Sarah.
Eau de coco.
What is that?
Eau de coco.
Oh, the cocoa.
Corned beef.
Corned beef. Tyler, mash up the hall today. I don't have to do anything. He's in the hall mood. Aha.
Lasagna.
Aha. That's just the pasta to make the lasagna.
And that's the lasagna. 2-pack of lasagna.
Yes.
And
Bechamel.
Bechamel.
Another bit of bechamel.
Bechamel.
And
Tea. No, put
and
that.
the tea.
What's that?
It's just a bag. No, put it in this one. Come, because Papa said he feel like he's
No,
gonna
the pizza. I don't know you want the pizza.
Oh, Jesus. Papa said he's gonna pick your belt, Tyler. Don't let it happen, Ty. Don't let it happen. No.
High five to Papa. Papa win. Papa win.
No.
Papa team.
will win
You
there.
Papa team.
No, Sarah team.
Sarah team.
Sarah, you're in
Wait.
Papa team or Tata team? Tata team. Wow! Tata team or Papa team? Papa team.
She said Papa team. Alright, come. Let's go. Come on, Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Anybody win this win? Come on, Tyler. Come on, Ty. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah. Come, guinea pig. Come, the puppet time.
Il m'a pris.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
1-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-0. You make one time.
I am tired!
You make one time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
The puppet show. Yeah. You know why? He's stronger than you in your eyes. You can see that giving the rules.
You, Papa.
No, finish.
Please. I wanted to do you, Papa.
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 Okay, you got apple juice?
I'm sick and tired of these things. You don't understand. And every game me go in confidence. You never meet me now? Me don't have to babe. Me don't laugh.
The man don't tell him.
And versus the Papa, I will swing.
So how you beat me and he no beat you? Me don't understand.
Okay,
What
you
am
make
I-
a peek.
What am I doing?
You think you're stronger than I?
Eh?
You think you're stronger than I?
I don't understand why you always beat me. I'm the guinea pig, yeah. You can count on it that he's gonna beat me at all times.
Mama, it's gonna fall, Mama.
What's gonna fall?
It's me.
You're gonna fall? Let Tai Tai take you down. Tai Tai take her down, please.
Mama, no.
Let Tai Tai take you down.
Sarah, you want apple juice or orange juice?
She wanna walk the other way, that's fine.
Me apple juice.
Please. I would like that.
Mama,
Did you say
start
please?
eating another chocolate.
Did you say please? Sarah, no more chocolate.
Sarah? Which one is yours? Sarah? Apple juice?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.